retry, retry, retry. So that's the error I've been getting on my Withings BPM Connect blood pressure monitor. This particular model is the WPM05 model. And I got this 6 months ago. So this video is going to be a quick review of the Withings blood pressure monitor Connect. I've had it for 6 months, and so basically it's a blood pressure monitor that's wireless. You charge it, and you basically charge it with a mini USB that you can get on your on your laptop or a car or whatever, and it charges the battery. So it's wireless, no extra cords or stuff like that. Very lightweight. And this probably weighs about 8 ounces or less. The readings seem to be accurate. I compared it to my doctor's readings, and I compared it to the Omron, which I've used for like a decade before I started using the Withings. So it was pretty accurate. I used it on average about 3 times a week. And what's great about it is you connect it to your smartphone, and then it'll keep the readings on your phone, so you can go back for reference. And then if you're logged on to the Withings website, you'll look up your numbers through that. It's connected through your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for your readings. You don't need the phone with you all the time, but it'll pair it with the phone. So it gives great, accurate readings, whatever. The issue I ran into in this week was I started getting 3 errors. I started getting the retry error that I just got, and then I started getting the 301, and 303, and the 201. So if you look up the manual, if you look online with Withings, it basically continues to tell you to make sure you're seated properly, it's aligned with your heart and all that. And so I've done that 100 times in the last 2 days. It's not me, it's the monitor. And then I tried it on my lower arm as well. I've tried to iron, the strap out, flatten it out, everything I could to try to make it work, and it's nothing that I can do. It's within the device itself. I think it's probably a microchip, would be my guess, or something computerized in the Withings to make them just completely bonk out. I've looked at Amazon reviews. I've gone to the forum of Withings, and people are having the same problems with the 301, 303, and there's nothing that people can do. You can call customer service, and customer service will just parrot the same thing. Make sure you're seated properly, blah, blah, blah. And a lot of people are getting runarounds. There was one doctor that I saw do a review, and he's like, look, don't tell me how to check my blood pressure. I know how to check my blood pressure. There's something wrong with your device. You need to make it right. You need to take it back. So this device cost me $80, and I had a $20 coupon. So normally it's like $100. And so if it's something that worked for 6 months and it cost me $30, it's not a big deal. I still wouldn't rebuy it, but not a big deal. For $80 or $100 and only last 6 months, no, that's not acceptable. And then to be given the runaround by Withings, I don't think I'll ever buy their product again or recommend anybody buying their product. What I want to do is I'm going to go back to the old trusted Omron. That it's older technology, it seems like, kind of like the old cars from the 80s and 90s. It clunks a little bit, but you can always get it to work. Or you can just buy a new armband rather. And so I'll probably go back to Omron. And unfortunately, I'll probably just have to recycle this Withings. What I would do if you purchase this and it's within 6 months, go to Amazon if you bought it from Amazon, or try to contact Withings again. There's some people that are buying this that literally they're getting the 301 error out of the box. First time use, they're getting the error. And then they're still getting the runaround. Usually Withings will work with you to get you another device, but you might have to go to your credit card company, unfortunately, or go to other means to get a refund. I think Withings, what they should do is realize this problem and offer to take it back, and then maybe charge $20 or $30 and send you a new one. I'd be more than happy to spend $20 or $30 to send this one back, they can repair it or use the technology somewhere else and then send me a new one. But I don't think that that's going to happen. So that's my review of Withings. Unfortunately, I wished it was better, but for right now, I'll probably go back to the older technology. All right, thanks for watching.